Alright, so about a week ago I found out that Apple is doing a recall on the original first gen Nano. I went and applied for the recall. My serial number was correct, and they sent me a package that had this deal in it with instructions on how to mail it back to them. I shipped it back to them, 4 days ago, and they got it last night. I got an email saying they got it last night, and now noon the next day this showed up. Let's see what's in it. Looks like we've got another paper with instructions, some more foam, and looks like a 6th gen iPod Nano. Silver. Hey. See if she turns on. She does turn on. Well, other than that beat all, it's an 8 gig, it looks like. And she's brand new, ready to go. How about that? Yeah, you guys, if you're on like Craigslist or something, see somebody offering to take your freaking first gen Nano from you, go and do the recall on this. This is much better deal than anything anybody would give you for your first gen Nano.